I just say? We all buy these expensive phones from Apple and other devices, but we also need to consider protection. Apple have been good this year and included a new ceramic glass on their iPhone 12 models. These may be hard and durable, but they're prone to scratches. This is why I've had to go and buy a selection of cases that I'll go through with you now. So I've actually got one of the cases. I had to do it. The genuine, original iPhone 12 leather case in black. I've also gone for the Spigen clear plastic case. And I've also gone for the hard glass screen. This way, any impact or damage to the screen will not be affected, as this is covering the screen, so any cracks will take place on this and not the phone itself. So let's get to these unboxing of these cases and we can guide you through the installation. Hi, let's unbox the iPhone 12 Pro Max leather case. This actually includes the new Magsafe ring as well. So let's unbox this now for you guys. So you just have to pull this tab here. So as you can see, the iPhone is just there. So you can just pull the case out. It comes with some reading material. So in this case, it's lovely suede lining inside, very soft. And here you have the Magsafe charging ring here. Very nice, soft leather. Almost looks like plastic. You can't hardly tell that this is leather. This is genuine leather. Very soft, clickable buttons. What I'll do, let me just install the iPhone 12. So there you just saw the animation to show that the Magsafe has now been installed. So this ring's actually at the back. So now the ports here are actually visible. So you're able to see the lightning port there. Speaker grills are also open. Power on off buttons here. Volume rockers also. And this is open. So you're able to get your finger in and turn it off silent mode. This is a very nice case. Let's have a look at the camera hump. 3 lenses are all exposed. You have the LiDAR there as well. And there's a little lip, let me turn it this way, around the camera hump. So this protects the camera hump itself. There's also raised edges around the screen. So that means once you place the phone down on its screen, it's actually not touching the glass. This is perfect to prevent from scratches. It's a very nice case. Extremely soft, very lightweight, very nice in the hand. I can highly recommend this case. Only issue is the price. At £60, it's extremely expensive for a case, but I would recommend it versus other third parties. You're getting the fit, the finish and the feel. I know it's expensive, but you've got to remember this phone's going to last you in the region of 2 years. So you want to protect it while you have it. You don't want to put scratches on your phone. You need drop protection. These phones are extremely expensive to repair if you crack the screen. I can highly recommend this case. Next case up, I've got the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Clear Case. Now let's unbox this for you now. So you can pull this tab at the top. Pull out the case. This is actually a nice clear case. It is a fingerprint magnet, as you can see. A very soft case. Let's install the phone now. Click each corner in. So as you can see, they've got the volume rockers here. Mute switch is exposed. Spigen branding on the side. They've also got the microphone and speakers grills open, including with the lightning port is all open. On this side you have the power. So this is all covered. The camera hump at the back is also nicely protected. As you can see, there is raised section around the camera hump to protect it. Let's just check the screen now. So the screen has a slight lip. So in this way, if the phone is down front on its face, the screen is nicely protected. Very nice case. As you can see, the Apple logo is exposed. Very minimalistic case. Very nice. Very nice in the hand as well. You can hardly notice there's a case on the phone, as you can see. Spigen do great cases. Would highly recommend it. Last item I have is the Spigen clear glass protector. So now this, time for unboxing. Sliding out. It's in this protective case. So this gets installed on top of the phone. Let me show you. So you'd need to peel back, apply it, and press down in the middle. This will then form a layer above the screen, a very thin layer. So what this does is, if the phone is ever dropped or there's someone stands on the phone, it adds protection to the main screen. So any issues will arise on the screen protector itself and not crack the screen. I would highly recommend this to your iPhones, as you do not want to crack the screen. You need to take care of your screen. So my daily driver case I've gone for is the original iPhone 12 leather case, including the Magsafe. So the reasons why I've gone for this case is I do like the design. I love this leather, very soft, very nice, and I also love the Apple logo that's embossed. I know it's extremely expensive. I do agree that the price does need to come down, but it's got the lovely velvet inside. Magsafe ring is there. So I also enjoy when you install this case, you also get the animation. So I'll demonstrate that now for you. So this shows there's a genuine Magsafe accessory installed. The reason why I've gone for the leather is also because of this Magsafe. New accessories will come out during the life of this phone. So you may see batteries that can attach. You'll also see car holders that will also be able to attach. Obviously we know the wallet's out. Can I say it's extremely important to have a case on your phone? These phones are extremely expensive. You need protection against drops, scratches and falls, and these cases will provide it. I will also be installing the Spigen tempered glass screen protector on top of this screen as well. When you're looking for a case, please look for a case that's got screen protection in terms of raised edges. This way the phone can go down face flat on a surface and not scratch the screen. You also need to look for raised edges around the camera bump. So the lenses, So when the phone is placed down, the lenses are also protected. You also need to look for open ports around the speaker ports, microphone and lightning. This is to ensure sound can flow freely throughout the phone. These are my recommendations, but I would definitely suggest a phone needs protection. The only way to give it the protection is with a case. Thank you for watching my iPhone 12 Pro Max case review. Can you please subscribe down below? The more subscribers I get, the more content I can put out for you guys. Hope you enjoyed my content, and again, thank you for watching.